Good morning, guys. So today I am leaving Istanbul and Jihan behind. I'm going to the metro station and then we are on our way to Cairo, our next destination of this trip. Bye bye. So I'm at the airport right now and I only have 200 Turkish lira left and I'm going to buy, I think, this for my next couchsurfing host. Because of the rising inflation, I think if I keep this bill as a souvenir in a few months when I'm back, it will be worth like nothing. So I might as well just buy a souvenir. Normally I don't buy souvenirs at the airport, but I have no choice. Okay guys, I think I just got a free upgrade to business class. I have seat 3A and he said he will block the next seats next to me so I can just lay down and sleep, whatever. But let's see, I don't know if they have business class, but someone told me they have. We just took off. So sad, leaving Turkey behind already. Okay, I just met up with Karim. He picked me up from the airport.
Hello.
And now he's going to show me this local sandwich place. It's busy. It is so big.
No, it's free sandwich. Take one.
Thank you. So what is in this?
It's bean.
Bean.
Beans, yeah.
Ooh.
It's good?
It's good. I like the sauce. My first food in Egypt. Okay, our first stop is a big mall, one of the biggest malls in Cairo. They have Christmas decorations. Okay
There
guys.
is a chair. Want to sit in the chair?
No, thank you. They have all these cute little Christmas decorations and they have everything here. Zara, H&M. Karim just told me it's not just pyramids. It's not just pyramids.
Everything here.
Everything.
You
It's like
find everything.
it's like normal.
Starbucks.
Wow.
But we don't use it.
No.
Yeah, it's boycott.
Everything is decorated in Christmas things, and you guys are not even celebrating Christmas. Look at how pretty. Crazy food court. It's so busy here. We are going to try and get in a club to watch a football match. Let's see. Okay, Karim and I are going to watch a football match. Apparently there's a really important match tonight. And he said one of the biggest, important things here in Egyptian culture is watching football. So I'm gonna try and get into this club to watch some football. Sitting in the car right now after a really long match. Sadly, his favorite team lost. Now we are on my way to my couchsurfing host, my hotel. It's like 20 minutes from here, near downtown. And I am so ready for bed. Okay, before going to my host, to my hotel, we are having some food. Can you tell us what this is?
It's Kushari.
Kushari?
It's rice, pasta, chickpeas, onion, tomato sauce, garlic sauce.
Wow.
And it's spicy.
Okay.
You mix all together.
Nice. Okay, let's try it. And this is just like...
This is a bread. No, put all this sauce goes here.
Yeah? Oh. Wow.
You want?
Yeah.
How much you want?
What is it?
How much? It's garlic.
Garlic? Yeah, just put it over.
Okay?
Good. And then now you
Spicy.
just... I'll try this first. Okay.
Now see? Mix all together.
Yeah. You say Bismillah, right? Bismillah. Bismillah. It's nice. It's like a pasta with tomato sauce.
Yes. Rice also. And what do you call this? Lentils, right?
Lentils, yeah.
Yeah, lentils.
Reached the hotel. I have no idea. Okay, I have never in my life eaten pasta so fast because I was feeling bad for my host for arriving so late. It's almost 12 now and I just arrived in my hotel room. The host was not even here. It's like a proper hotel, so there's just a receptionist working. But I finally got to my room and I have a private room for the next 2 nights. That's amazing. Some privacy. Pretty decent. And this is the bedroom, which is fine as well. Great. And I'm actually happy the host wasn't here, so I don't have to be like all social because I've been social the whole day. And now my social battery is just empty. It's not existent anymore. I just want to sleep. I'll probably sleep in. I have no idea what I'm going to do tomorrow. I only have 2 days in Cairo. Don't ask me why. I thought I would do the group trip, so I would come back. And I was actually planning to go from Turkey to Jeddah, but I had to do a layover in either Dubai or Cairo. So that's why I decided to do Cairo, like a really short layover of 2 days to just visit the guides that I would work together with. But now I'm canceling the Egypt trip due to my own plans and stuff. And now I'll just do the pyramids in 2 days after tomorrow. So I'm just not sure what I'm going to do tomorrow, because I already got the tour on Monday with the pyramid, so it doesn't seem to make sense to do it twice. I would have wanted to do the tour tomorrow so I could spend Monday visiting places that I did not have enough time for. But I guess it just didn't work out that way. So we'll see what I'll do tomorrow. But for now I'm just going to take a hot shower if the hot shower is working. And then I'm going to sleep, turn myself off. And I kind of really need to like work out again. I might just do that in my room because I can just see my face is getting rounder. That means I am gaining weight, and to a certain point doesn't matter, but after a certain point I'm like, gotta work out again. I kind of miss going to the gym, so probably have a chill day tomorrow. We'll see. Okay, good night.